my name is Chanel Botha, and this tutorial will show you how to use OpenRefine to clean and separate data subsets very quickly. So as you can see with this set of data for the 2011 Vancouver Winter Olympics, we have inconsistencies within the way that our data is set out. For example, within this country column, the data is written out differently every time. This makes it very hard to subset our data, as in Excel we couldn't simply search for an option, we couldn't simply search for France and have all the options come out, as the data is written out differently each time. Luckily, OpenRefine has a very quick and easy way of cleaning our data subsets so that it's easily comparable. The first step is to click the drop-down menu from the column that you're wanting to clean up. Then you want to move to Facet and select Text Facet. So instead of simply changing each dataset individually, OpenRefine actually has this cluster option, which is a way of working out through OpenRefine where data points are likely similar and where you would likely want to merge them. So you're going to move to this keying function option and just go down through the different drop-down options. As you can see here, it's picked up options where we actually do want to merge these data cells. So for these two, we're going to click merge, and it's going to move all of these options for this bottom into the Russia option. Again, we're wanting to merge these. And for this option, you can see there's a spelling error, and it's realized that this is likely the same as the Canada option. However, for this option, we're not simply wanting to merge and pick either of these two options for the new cell value. We're actually wanting to merge these into the CAN columns. So we just type that and it'll do it for us. For these ones, we're not wanting to merge them as they're not the same. So we're going to click Merge Selected and Recluster. Just going to move down to the bottom option to see if there are any, and again, there's an option that we would like to merge. So we're going to Merge Selected and Close. So as you can see, it's really helped us refine our data quite a bit. However, there are still a few inconsistencies that we're going to want to edit. Again, rather than needing to edit each of these options individually, we're able to, through this text facet, edit the whole 45 options for America. So we're just going to hover over, click Edit, and change it to USA. The benefit to having the options within this text facet isn't just that you're able to edit all of the options together, but it actually helps you keep on track as you're able to go through each data set in a really confined way, rather than having to scroll through the data and likely miss options. So I'm just going to go through and fix up all of this data. So as you can see, this is a really quick way of editing the data all together, making sure that you're not missing any points. And there we are. The whole country column is now cleaned and consistent in a way that it's really easy to subset the data. Another benefit to this text facet option is that we can actually sort the options by count. So for example, we were wanting to compare the most common column country to the least column. That would be really easy to subset. So we would simply click Include for USA, go down to the least common option and click Include. And there we have the options only for the most common country that's appearing and the least common. There are also other options. For example, if you want to move back to sorting it by name and you're wanting to compare Australia's data to that of Canada, for example, you include those two options, and there's even an option to export this data separately into an Excel document. The benefit to this is you can even further take this and move it back into OpenRefine so that you are able then able to further work on the data. As you can see, it's taken the Australian data and the Canadian data and put it into an Excel document, and this is really easy to put back into OpenRefine to further manipulate it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to clean and separate subsetted data. I hope this helped.